Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. My name is Muhammad HAKIMI RADZI. My student ID is 2021561847 and I am from group JBC 2401A and my group members are NADIA FARHANA, BARIZAH, FIRDAUS and myself. And we will be presenting about the topic job analysis and job design. First, we have to know what is job. Job can be defined as an activity people do for which they get paid, particularly as part of the trade or occupation they occupy. Now, what is job analysis? Job analysis is the process of obtaining information about a job by determining its duties, tasks, or activities. Job analysis is very important for a number of HRM functions. The first one is strategic HR planning. Second one is workflow analysis and job design. Third is recruitment. Fourth is training. Fifth is performance appraisal. And the last one is legal compliance.
Next is the major part of the job analysis. Job description is a written document that describes overall purpose of the job, statement of the tasks, duties and responsibilities of a job to be performed. Job specification is a statement of the specific knowledge, skills and abilities of a person who is to perform a job needs. There are 4 sources of job analysis information, which are interview, questionnaires, observation and diaries. The first one is interviews. Interviews is a supervisor interviews individual employees and their managers about the parameters of the job. The second one is questionnaires. Questionnaires is a supervisor circulates standard questionnaires for job holders to fill out individually. Next one is observation. Observation is a supervisor learns about the job by observing and recording the activities associated with it on a standardized form. Lastly is diary, who is job holder are asked to keep diaries of their work activity for an entire work cycle.
Part of a job description. Firstly, job title is psychologically important because it provides status to the employee, for example, senior assistant, senior officer or executive. Next is job identification section. Usually follows the job title such items as department allocation of the job, the person to whom the job holders report, and the date of the job description was last revised. It also contains administration information such as numerical code for the job. And lastly, tasks, duties and responsibilities section maintains a daily working relationship with division managers on human resource matters, including requirement concerns, retention or release of probationary employees, and discipline or discharge of permanent employee.
For job specifications, there are a few requirements that job specification needs. The first are the skills required to perform the job, and the second one is the job's physical demand.
So we continue our lesson with job design. Job design is an outgrowth of job analysis that improves job through technological and human consideration in order to enhance organization efficiency and employee job satisfaction. It focuses on reconfiguring jobs to capture the talent of employees, improve their work satisfaction, and enhance an organization performance. Next, we have industrial engineering. Industrial engineering is a field of study that is concerned with analyzing work method and establishing time standard. Industrial engineering is the study of work to determine which, if any, element of work can be modified, combined, rearranged, or eliminated to reduce the time needed to complete the work cycle. Next, we have agronomy. Agronomy is the process of studying and designing easy-to-use equipment and system to physical well-being employee is a compromise and work get done more efficiently. In other words, it contrasts to industrial engineering. Agronomy focus on the well-being of workers so as to improve efficiency. Last, we have arrangement. Arrangement is enhancing a job by adding more meaningful tasks and duties to make the work more rewarding and satisfying. When people are motivated, they take pride in their work and want to do good job because it's interesting and they feel like they are making a difference by doing it.
Next is job characteristic model. Job characteristic model is a job design theory that purports that three psychological states which are experiencing meaningfulness of the work performed, responsibility for work outcomes, and knowing the result of the work performed, that is resulted in a job holder's improved work performance, internal motivation, and lower absenteeism and turnover. Absenteeism is a habitual pattern of absence from a duty or obligation without a good reason, or generally called as unplanned absence. There are 5 of job characteristic model, which are skill variety, task identity, task significance, autonomy, and feedback. Skill variety is the degree to which a job includes a variety of activities which demand the use of a number of different skills and talents by the job holder. Task identity is the degree to which a job holder is able to complete a whole and identifiable piece of work, that is, do a job from beginning to end with a visible outcome. Task significance is the degree to which the job has a substantial impact on the life of work of other people in one's organization or as well. Autonomy is the degree to which the job provides a person the freedom and discretion to schedule his or her work and determine how to do it. Feedback is the degree to which a person is given direct and clear information about the effectiveness of his or her job performance.
Empowerment. Employee empowerment encourages workers to become involved, innovators, and managers of their own work, and it involves them in their job in ways that give them more control and autonomous decision-making capabilities.
So we continue our lesson with an employee team. An employee team can be defined as a group of employees working together toward a common purpose in which members have complementary skills, member works is mutually dependent, and the group has distraction over tasks performed. These are examples of employee team. We have cross-functional team, project team, self-direct team, task force team, process improvement team, and virtual team.
Employee teams and flexible work schedules. Employers sometimes depart from the traditional workday or work week to improve their productivity and the morale of their employees by giving them more control over the hours they work. Flexible work schedules can be used to attract and retain employees when a company is facing a tough times or is unable to offer the benefits or pay a competitor would. Common flexible work schedules is flex time, compressed work week, job sharing, and telecommunicating. Flex time is flexible working hours that give employees the option of choosing daily starting and quieting times, provided that they work a set number of hours per day or week. Compressed work week is one in which the number of days in the work week is shortened by lengthening the number of hours worked per day. For example, employees might work 10 hours a day for 4 days a week, or they might work 80 hours over 9 days and take 1 day off every other week. Job sharing is an arrangement whereby 2 part-time employees do a job normally held by 1 full-time employee. Telecommunicating is the use of smartphones, tablets, personal computers, and other communication technology to do work in the home that is traditionally done in the workplace. That's all from us about the topic of job analysis and job design. Thank you.